to get all the extra media out of it.
How many rounds do you think you personally are responsible for in a shift in an 8-hour day?
I can crank out generally about 2,500 an hour. The machine is capable of doing about 3,000 an hour, a little bit more. We run it a little bit slower. You can see the drive motor over here. So I can actually crank this up all the way to 100 and go much faster. But again, I don't think it produces as nice of a product when you start going that fast. And again, it's hard for me to keep up with the QC when it's cranking out 50 rounds of machine.
Each and every one of these gets case gauge and checked.
Yes.
Which is cool.
Actually, almost twice. So I'm batch checking right now. I'm running the machine, so I'm grabbing 10 or 15, checking them as the machine keeps running. After it's done with here, though, it gets put in big old barrels, and the barrels will then get QC'd on our shaker table with the 50-round case gauges. So this is a batch QC just to make sure none of my dies, none of my stations have come out of sync. Make sure the bullet, again, checking the basic stuff like cartridge overall length and stuff like that to make sure nothing has come loose, no screws have come loose, and the machine is producing a good product.
Got to give you a chance to stop and adjust. And
correct, and that's why we load in small batches. Again.
okay, USA.
That's almost complete. There's a little bit of stuff.
We'll do one more with denim.
Denim?
Not in a bitchy way, more like, hey, eyes and ears, unsuppressed, go ahead and load, shoot on you, Cameron.
And that one maintained total mass.
That should be cracky.
Yeah, it is.
Turning.
It's badass.
That is. That's the one I'd want to have a picture of.
Yeah.